Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto on Global Prime. So right now we are here on the chart and we have gold standing right here. But if you want to buy crypto, it's quite simple, because if you click on search symbol, you will find here a lot of things. Now we can also select right here crypto large, crypto medium, crypto small. But let's say crypto large, you have standing right here the Binance coin, the Bitcoin and the Ethereum. If you go back to medium, you will find here a lot of other cryptos. So for now, for example, let's click here on Selena and we want to buy this. Then what you need to do is click on new order, select right here the volume that you want to buy. You can put a stop loss or a take profit on it, and then just click right here on buy by market. Now we created our position right there, and it's also standing here in the order history. But this is how you can buy crypto on Global Prime. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.